Hi, I'm Georgia. I'm a current student at the university. I study English, Language and Linguistics and I'm about to go into my third year. And I'm here to tell you about what it's like to do an online open day at the University of York. Obviously it's not the same right now, not being able to visit the campus, but taking part in an online open day is a really useful experience and it's making the best of the situation we have right now, and I definitely recommend doing it. I'm one of the student ambassadors here at York, and on the online open day there is a student lounge where all of us are here to help you and answer your questions. There are different sections, so there's the student lounge with us in, and we can answer anything you have, anything about student life, or we can redirect you to the places that might be more suitable for that. There's also the section for academic departments, so you can talk to student ambassadors for those departments as well as staff members. You can talk to college staff for accommodation, you can talk to the admissions team. There's really everything in one place, which sometimes on an open day you might find you haven't got time to go around everything, but this is really useful because everything's in one place and you've got a long time to sit there and really know what you want to find out and sit there and get all the information that you need. So everyone on the platform is here to help answer your questions, help you with your choice of anything you need to know about the university. So some of the questions we get asked on an online open day tend to be about York itself, the city, what there is to do, what the social life is like, questions about transport links, bus services. We get asked about the accommodation, the experience we had in the accommodation we were in, about the college experience. People ask us about why we enjoy the courses we're taking, why we chose York, what makes it special, what makes it different from other universities, about the societies that there are available, and we can give our experiences at the societies and to tell you a lot more in detail about what there is to do that there might not be available on a website. We'll even answer questions about little things like what should you bring with you, what's something that most people forget when moving to university. But I think it's really important when you come to one of these open days to make a list of everything you'd like to find out, and if there's a decision you're struggling to make between two different universities, write down why you like another university and the things that they have that you are really interested in, and ask about what we have if we offer those things, because you really have the opportunity here to ask anything you want to know. So just write down a list of everything you need to know, anything that you might not be able to find on a website, and we are happy to help you with it or direct you to the people that might be more qualified to help you answer those questions. I know it's not the same not being able to visit the campus, but there are online accommodation tours, and I think this might even be more useful to help you find out a lot more questions that you would forget to ask in person on an open day. You can really find out everything you want to know to help you make your choice, so I'd really recommend coming to one of our online open days, and I wish you luck with your journey.